Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like a tabula ads or other like that softwares from your Redmi Note 12. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and with the antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open settings, then go to the apps and choose manage apps. Then look for this, look the list for the app that you have not installed before, the strange app, the just unwanted app. If you see something like that, something strange, just tap on it and choose to install. Click OK and go back to the app list. Then look for your web browser. Now choose the storage and tap on the clear data. Tap on the manage space and choose clear all data. Click OK and your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So we have to tap on the get started, next and skip. Now close to apps. Then tap on the continuous free. Choose the start scan, add a permission, go back to the antivirus app and choose scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares and viruses shall be deleted from your phone. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.